This is Black & Decker Dustbuster Quick Clean Cordless Hand Vacuum. It got battery inside. So this is the charger, and it comes with a little brush, and this one I guess is for holding the charger. I think the weight is alright. It's not very heavy and very comfortable you're holding it. The dirt bowl is transparent, so it's easily to see what's inside is full or not. And you got the filter. The filter is actually washable. So here is the empty. You push the button and take that off. And here is the vacuum itself, and the battery is inside. And this is a little filter. And here just a rubber cover. Put that back on. So I want to give a little bit test to see what it can do. First one, the piece of plastic, pretty big. Another one is a zip tie, and this is rubber band, and this is the challenge, a nail, actually screw. So let's see. It's not, I didn't charge it yet, so probably it's not a full power. So let's give it a try. So let's take a look what's inside. All right, the nail is actually right in here, didn't go all the way through, but for these three, they're all in there. So I think for the dust, it's not really matter for hair or dust, but usually this small stuff, some vacuums that they just cannot pick up. But for this one, it's actually pretty good. Just like I said, it didn't charge it yet, so it's not a full power. But for the result, it's amazing. Almost forgot this. So, it actually can give a little bit rub. I like their design or idea is that they give you some screw and you can put this charger on the wall. So preferably underneath there is a plug, so you just plug this one in. So after you're using it, put this one on, so it's just hanging on the wall at the same time it's charging. It's genius. And very easy to use, you don't need to drag the cord. I like the cordless vacuum. So you just pick up and get the dirt. Perfect. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.